There he goes, the last hurrah. Hello.
Recording?
Yes, I'm recording. This is for Grandpa David's records. Hi, little one.
Yeah.
Hi, little one.
No boogers in her feet.
Hi, beautiful. You want to see something else that's beautiful? Look at that.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that.
Electrician.
Damn right. Oh, there he is.
Hi.
Hi.
He's scared.
Oh. It's because he saw us. Oh no! Are you being a weenie?
We done? Okay.
Are you being a weenie? It's because he saw us.
Down there he was going.
His little face was like,
How was he?
He was good until we came back here.
Yeah, it's because he saw us.
You okay? Yeah.
Mm.
what? You have what? His little face was priceless.
He just explodes.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you'd like it.
I thought he would too.
I think he did.
Yeah, down there we were saying something. He was saying, "Go, blah." I don't know what he was saying. Then we turned around, and he saw. Oh, let me get my helmet. And he saw y'all that he just started. Hollering.
Yeah, it's because he saw us. That's why.
He looks so cute over there.
You'll never get one.
No.
If I can't get one, you sure as hell can't get one.
I'm just like bringing that
Yeah, I
to
gotta
something.
move my chain real quick.
Oh yeah, is that what it's called now?
That's what it's called.
All right. Well, have fun. Don't do it on my lawn.